Hey guys, today is a very exciting day because I am finally getting my colorful bands. Unfortunately, we could not get that. I could not get that because the person in charge of keeping the bands wasn't available today. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is my second attempt of getting my colorful bands. I am very excited about it, hope nothing goes wrong, and this is how it went down. As I said in my previous video, I did want to take red and blue bands alternatively, and when I went to the doctor, he finally said that the bands were available and he started putting them on me. The process was very simple. He simply took one tool, I don't know the name of that tool. He removed the old bands and he checked if my wire needed tightening or not. In this case, I did not need tightening, and he basically just replaced the bands, the transparent bands which I had, with red and blue bands. A month later, I did go again to the dentist, and to be honest, when I had the red and blue bands, I was in love with the blue color. I feel like it suits me really well and it matches with most of my clothes. So when it was time to change the bands again, I decided to, instead of taking alternatively other colors, I went full blue. I decided to go full blue and I love the results. This time the doctor needed to not just replace the bands but also change and tighten my wire. Now, if you are not sure about which color you can take or which color suits you best, you can pretty much try each and every color until you find your own, because this is not something that you put and stay with it for the entire year or 6 months. You have to change it every 21 days when you go for a checkup. So feel free to try each and every color you want until you find the perfect one, which for me, I think it's blue. I will keep trying more colors though to see if I like something else, but I definitely did not like red color, and I also did not like the silver color. So for now, I'm gonna stick with blue and probably try new things and update you guys in the channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave your comment down below. I would really like to know how is your experience with braces, how do you feel about it, and what is your favorite color when it comes to colorful bands. Thanks guys for watching and hope to see you on my next video. If you haven't seen my previous video about how I wanted to get my colorful bands, you can just click on the top right here and check it out as well. Or you can just go to my braces playlist and check all there is about braces.